What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix apps not working in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press red or power button and swipe up for restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.